She looks like she wants to go on my lap. Hey. And they are back. And introducing his opponent, accompanied to the ring by Lord Sweepy and Plumar from the Pipes, representing the Money Man, Plumber John. Big fight feel here at New Year's Evil. Lord Sweepy and Cloutmar, of course, just not even like 20 or 30 minutes ago, retaining their Twitch tag titles. I don't even think it was that long ago. It feels like it, but I know it wasn't. Who will win? El Plumar or Plumber John. I love their theme. Prediction is up, guys. Be sure to vote if you would like with your channel points. And Plumber John looks fucking angry. Match underway. I'm sure El Plumar is just as angry. These two have such a history together as tag team partners. I mean, and the worst part of it all is when the Plumbers got their first shot at tag team gold, Plumber John wasn't even there to bear witness to the victory. He had to sit on the sidelines and watch somebody else take his place. And Plumber John is taking out all that anger on his former friend. Oh, I thought that was going to be 3. Kick out at 2 by El Plumar. And we were all shocked when we saw Plumber John come back and attack Phil Fly backstage. Oh, Meteora. It was not an honorable performance. And then, of course, costing El Plumar and Phil Fly the tag team championships. Had to be the final straw. Goes for another Meteora. Plumber John dodges it, hits him with an elbow on the back. Plumber John going to go to the top rope, and Phil Fly just watching Plumber John with disgust as he hits that big splash. Drops the elbow on the chest of El Plumar. Into the corner now. Oh, reverse with an elbow, though. El Plumar locks up with John. Takedown. Oh, and look at that. Big spine buster. Big impact there. And just throwing El Plumar across the ring. What did I just purchase for me? Premium annual? I gotta figure out. My Apple account just charged me. Oh, wait. No, I bought that earlier. My bad. I forgot. Now Plumar's got Plumber John. Is he looking to send him over the top rope? No, he hangs him up on the top rope instead. Keeps him in the ring. And Plumber John out of nowhere with that headbutt. And now another elbow. And the way he catches the air on that elbow is very interesting. It almost kind of preserves that impact of the move. And speaking of impact, we crowned our GCW Impact World Champion. Sting winning against Josh Alexander earlier. We've got one more match after this. NXG defends the IC title against Gravity Well. It's going to be a fucking banger of a match. So you're not going to want to miss it. El Plumar now going to the top. What does he have planned here? El Plumar. Oh my God, Plumber John catches him in midair. And now what? Oh, the military press. And the moonsault. Standing moonsault, mind you. But a kick out at 2. Plumber John might be running out of options here. Oh. Propping him up. Propping him up. What the hell is he doing? Plumber John has got El Plumar. Oh my God, the suplex off the top rope. Hooks the leg. El Plumar is dazed. Oh, but he gets the shoulder up at the last second. Plumber John saying that was 3. What the hell, ref? Is this the final blow that he needs to deliver? Oh, El Plumar dodges it, gets out of the way. Oh, and just brings him into that lariat. El Plumar heading to the middle rope. Plumber John's right back up, goes right into an axe handle. And now getting on Plumber John's nerves here. Oh. He's really doing a lot of damage to that right arm, but Plumber John's still staying in this one. Now what? Oh, we got it. We got a little submission hold locked here on El Plumar. Pulling on the chin and driving that knee into the back. El Plumar gets out of it. They lock up once more here. Fall away slam? Nope. Oh, Samoan drop. Just for the elbow drop. El Plumar rolls out of harm's way. Plumber John is just faster and fresher, mind you. He's been out of action. He's been on the shelf for months. This is his first match back in GCW. Oh. He's just full of anger, frustration. He's probably been working out every day since he was cleared to compete. All that PT. And El Plumar trying to stop him short and injure that arm again. Plumber John, though, knocks down his adversary, goes to the top rope here. Calling once again for El Plumar to get up here. Oh, and hits the elbow on the shoulder. Taste of his own medicine. My goodness. El Plumar rolls back up, though. Look at this. Look at that. Trapped arm back suplex. And now Plumber John is back up. Oh, and the knockout punch from Plumber John. The blunt trauma. Shoots the half. Is Plumber John out? 1, 2. No! And you saw he got the right shoulder up. That right arm is probably suffering a little bit in this match, but he had to do it if he wanted to stay in. Look at that! The rolling code breaker from El Plumar, and now calling for one more knockout punch. Oh, it connects. Plumber John's a bloody mess. Is this it? No! What a match. Oh, this might be a reach for El Plumar. Let's see. Oh, it was just enough of a reach for Plumber John to regain his bearings. Look here. Snap suplex. El Plumar still fighting, though. Fireman's carry. What is the plan here? Snake eyes. And now it's stomping a mud hole. No, Plumber John fights back with kicks of his own. Looky here. Oh my God, what a move by Plumber John. No! He kicks out. These two are beating the hell out of each other, pushing each other to the limit. This is a match I never thought I would have seen in my life. And now Plumber John calling for El Plumar to get to his feet. Moves out of the way of the elbow. Oh. Propped against the ropes. Ugh. And just absolutely manhandling his friend. I was about to say, if the match ended that way, it would have ruined the whole thing. Plumber John. Uh-oh, Plumber John. Fisherman suplex. Dropped him a little on the brain. The brain buster fashion. Hits the splash. El Plumar is still fighting back, though. Can you believe it? Military press. Oh, it's reversed. Pinning predicament. 1, 2. Oh, that was like 2.999. And again, just taking the frustrations out on El Plumar. This is... Oh, but El Plumar. These two are truly pushing each other to the limit. I cannot believe what we are seeing here. Honestly, this is main event worthy. El Plumar now. He's going to go. Oh, I thought he was going to go for another military press, but another snake eyes. Wow. Plumber John sweeps the feet. Look at here. Strikes and a clothesline. He is crazed right now. El Plumar now driving the elbows into the midsection with the reversals. Rolling code breaker again. Hooks the leg. He's just within arm's reach. Oh! Oh! Did you guys see that? He grabbed the rope. The ref was right there too. Here's your winner, El Plumar. Wow. And you know Plumber John's going to have a gripe with that. We definitely have not heard the last of Plumber John in this rivalry. What a match. Easily contender for match of the year.